to another video, guys. So I'm playing Falcon Age. So yeah, basically, if I'm correct, you are in a world where there's a ton of robots and the world's overtaken. But yeah, this is a Falcon. It's one of the few left in the game, I'm pretty sure, or like story behind this. Anyways, time to play some story mode. I am starting from day one. I have deleted my save already. Yo! Is that the guy we have? Oh no, wait, that one for sure. Is that me? I'm a female now? I don't really care. I have played this game before, but I haven't played it. Oh my god.
Worker 0507, proceed to reorientation.
Oh my god, what do we want to? Hello there.
Felicitations.
Blah blah blah.
Be grateful.
Be grateful? You have me in a prison cell.
Let us begin.
Whatever.
Please cooperate.
Blah blah blah. I have no idea.
Good. Ha ha.
I don't care.
Correct.
How is that?
Go outside.
Go outside, okay.
Over here. Break rocks.
That's what I'm supposed to do. Oh, still have 2 more!
Activity time is over. Return to your cell.
God, where's my bed again? Oh, down here. Okay. So I'll just go to sleep, I'm pretty sure. Okay. So. Hey! Oh. Was he punching the bird? Oh! Oh my god!
Security alert.
Birdie!
Return to your cell.
Oh my god, he's so cute. What do? What do I do? He's so cute. I don't wanna hurt him. Oh my god.
Worker 0507.
I can pet you.
Time for
Oh
nourishment.
my god. I gotta feed him. Baby bird. Yes! He's so cute. Oh, not bad? Oh, that. What? Oh. My goodness. How does it want me to feed baby food? I don't have any more food. I can't get food. Okay. I'm gonna go back to main menu really quick because he's not giving me food to feed the baby bird. So, okay. So, there. I hope my thing is saved so it doesn't restart me. Oh my god, it restarted me. Okay. So basically, I just gotta do all that again.
Worker 0507. Time for nourishment. Worker 0507. Proceed to reorientation. Felicitations. Be grateful. Let us begin. Please cooperate. Good. Good. Correct. Go outside.
Okay.
Follow me. Break rocks.
Okay.
Deposit forward.
Or
Worker 0507. Activity time is over. Return to your cell.
shit. What the? Yeah, I think that's glitched. Okay, so now I can- okay, so that's glitched. Hey, no, I don't like this part. But he's punching the baby. Damn, that's a good mom right there. This part, I swear to God. Oh my God.
Security alert. Remain in your cell.
Cute.
Worker 0507. Time for nourishment.
Keep that part right there. And I think it'll drop my hand onto my hand. Now grab this.
Worker 0507. Proceed to reorientation.
Okay.
Salutations.
So now it's fixed. It's because I ate those other pieces. Okay,
Let us start it up.
Questions now. I don't care.
Good. Good. Yes.
But yeah, this is a fun game. It does cost money. I'm pretty sure. I got the game when it cost money. It might not anymore. I don't know. But really fun game. Okay. Yo, can we attack the bird or the bunny? Oh my God! You can stay. Okay. He's up. We should go. Oh, that. What? Which order do I need? Which order does it want me to collect? Is that what I need? Alright, 13 pieces.
Worker 0507. Activity time is over. Return to your cell.
Okay, so now I sleep. Anyways. Okay. Feed bird. Did he eat it? Okay, come on. What? Does it want? It said feed the baby bird.
Worker
Why wouldn't it
0507.
just eat?
Proceed to reorientation.
Okay. Yo?
Let us start. Answer, please. Enough.
Damn! Yo! Oh my god! Yo! He's goated, bro. Oh my. Work off-world, earn a pet. Yo, I don't think I ever noticed that. Nah, I didn't. I don't remember that being. So now we're escape prison. Go, go, go. Okay. Go, go, go. Attack! Thing? The hell? Okay, so now we're going out of here. Okay. Okay. I mean, we're not. Okay, there's nowhere out of there. Oh my god. Okay, so we escaped the prison, right? I forgot. Uh-oh. Bro. Okay, why did I stop? Yo, where's my bird? I can't see anything. What is my birdie doing? Yo. Oh, isn't that? Hey. Did she stab me? Wait, who is that again? Oh. Put something on me on my sleep.
You're awake, finally. Ayo. So, what, Sarangarai? God's name would we care about making things easier for them? What good is pretty? Shh. Well, girl, now settle down. No, you're not. Ugh, ayo.
Okay. I grab those.
Girl. Why do you want to be a token hunter? Don't give me any crap, girl. You think I want flattery? Well, girl,
I don't care what choices and names it gives. I'm naming that bird Greg, okay? That is Greg. Okay, come on, Greg. Get those. I forgot. Okay. I'm pretty sure I need 4 of these. I already collected one from the prison. So with this, that's gonna be 4. And that's, I'm pretty sure, all I need. And for my last save slot, I'm pretty sure all it said I need was 4. Yeah, the 4, yeah. Those are red peppers? Oh, bag. This is one strong bird. I will say that. So let's see. Oh, good bird. Hey. Oh my God. Oh my God! Why are you doing flips? Yo, let's turn you into WWE. I hunted 2 rabbits. I lost 2. That. And that body. Okay, so. Now we're gonna go back. Stuff in here. I guess I can't open it. Maybe it's because we're on like storytelling right now and my bird is still a baby. I don't know. Kind of thought. But it's all we needed, right? Hunt 2 rabbits, so yeah. And now I have 3 pieces of meat.
About time.
Okay.
Oh, don't be stupid, girl.
Okay. Why is this thing gotta be so low? Okay. So, 1 piece of that. I'm gonna make 2 just in case. Bomb. Two pieces of this. There. And I'll feed. Why don't you just... I'm gonna feed it to you on my... There. Okay, well.
You look tired, girl.
I'm just gonna be... I'm not gonna be trying to rude, but why is her face so red? And then look at her nose. Like, it reminds me of like those Santas from like those old cartoons with those bright red noses, bro. I might as well call her Rudolph Red-Nosed Reindeer at this point. Yo, it's like months later. Oh my God!
I think it's time. Look, we need you, both of you,
Okay.
to do your part.
You want to see the hat? Oh, that's cool. And then 2 to 10. Oh, I can grab things with that. I'm correct. Going. Yeah, that gate was locked before, and it still is. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna do that. Yeah, see? Can I do this? Start. Saving backpack. Okay. My Falcon is basically full health. Attack. Oh my god! Dude, my bird! Bro! Greg! Greg, are you okay, Greg? Oh my god, Greg! Okay, Greg, I feel bad. Okay, I'm sorry for this, Greg, but you're gonna have to hit that. Okay, Greg? Call me Greg. Okay. I don't want my bird to die. So I don't want to let it just fly around. So I'm gonna bring him down. Okay. Boom. Him.
Stay where you are.
Something in your feather. I'm sorry. Oh, you have things in your feather. Good thing. Let me save that for when you're lower health. I don't want you to die. I feel so bad. No. That will hurt you. You got hurt by that. Okay. Oh god. Poor feathers, bro. Actually, I don't really care about your feathers. Like, I more care about you. Okay, down the wood block. Am I really that bad? There. I'll come for that. I think we clear everything. I think we have to get that. Oh god, I'm back. That weirdo is coming. Oh yeah, that's shield on. And you take these out, it does that. And he is gone. Never deactivated. That's probably fine. Okay, so Greg is fine. Okay. Bro, why are you holding that so zesty, bro? Okay. Get the horn from Auntie. Okay. Oh, I should be able to get things from here, right? Yes. Another one of these? Okay. How much ore do I have? 3 pieces of ore. Make sure to save the game. Saving, because I don't save the game, it is not gonna keep my progress. Okay, I don't really care. I'll pick that.
Train her, but respect the demon spirit, the wildness inside her. Here. Now get out of here, girl.
Okay. Open. Ooh, yo, they're gonna look fire. Yo, come on, Greg. So now we have horn melon. Oh, it's horn melon. Okay. Does it want me? What does it want me to do? What does it want me to do? Him? I want to talk to him? Come on, over there. Okay. What farm? How am I? Is the one road on the ground? No. There. Yes. What is it worth? Hey. Two and boom. Why is she like still spying? Oh, that guy over there. Dude, which resistance member? This guy again? Him? There! Visit abandoned town. Take the bomb. Nope, give me the ball. Back and back. Okay, so that's gonna be part 1. And if you want to see part 2, I might post it tomorrow or the next day. But please like and subscribe. Just look Greg, bro. Like, tell me you wouldn't subscribe for Greg. He wants you guys to subscribe, right, Greg? Okay, Greg. Look at me, bro. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.